in the last class, we have discussed about the unit 4, which is matrices. Okay. So, in the matrices, there are some important definitions. The first one is the upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. Both are called as triangular matrices. Both are called as triangular matrices. So, the one is upper triangular matrix and the another one is lower triangular matrix. So, if A is a 3 by 3 matrix, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So here A is a 3 by 3 square matrix. 3 by 3 means it is a square matrix. Why? Because here the number of rows is equal to number of columns. Okay. A22 is an element of the second row and second column. A32 is an element of third row and second column. Third row, second column. Okay. So here the first one is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. So if all the elements below the diagonal, are all 0, then it will become an upper triangular matrix. That is, if A21, A31 and A32, these three elements are equal to 0, that is the elements below the diagonal. All the elements below the diagonal are 0, then it is called an upper triangular matrix. So the actual definition is I say is equal to 0 for I greater than j. I say equals 0 for I greater than j. So there is one circular. Students cannot read. Similarly, 1 is less than 3, 2 is less matrix is said to be an echelon form of a matrix if it satisfies some important two conditions. Yes, two important conditions. One is in every row the first non-zero element must be unity. In every row the first non-zero element must be unity. And the second important point is all the non-zero rows, if any, precede the zero rows. So preceding means before. Okay. Suppose for example A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 0, 1, 2. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0. So here A is a matrix of order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and columns 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. 5 by 4 matrix. It is in the form of Echelon matrix. MPCS, finally.
Okay, sir.
It is in the form of the echelon form. Okay. Why? Because it satisfies the two important points. One is in every row the first non-zero element. Yes. The first non-zero element must be unity. Unity means 1. So here in this row the first non-zero means not equals to 0. The first non-zero element is 1. And in the second row the first non-zero element is 1. Okay. And in the third row the first non-zero element is 1. And there is no non-zero element in the fourth row and the fifth row. These two rows are completely called as zero rows. Okay. So this matrix contains the unit. Every row contains the first non-zero element is equals to 1. Okay. And the second point is all the non-zero rows, if any, precede the zero rows. So here there are zero rows, and they are succeeding the non-zero rows or preceding the non-zero rows. Precedes the non-zero rows. So non-zero rows are the first 3 rows are non-zero rows. So when do you say that a row is called a non-zero row? In that row, if at least one element is not equal to 0, then it is called a non-zero row. Okay, right. So these 3 rows are called as non-zero rows, and the last 2 rows are called as zero rows. All the zero rows precede the non-zero rows. Zero rows are non-zero rows to mundundali. All the non-zero rows precede the zero rows. All the non-zero rows precede the zero rows. Non-zero rows are zero rows to mundundali. The 2 points satisfy the echelon form. Okay. So these two are upper triangular form, lower triangular form, echelon form. Right. Now we write the rank of a matrix. So here there are number of definitions for the rank of a matrix. Already I have given definition 1. Which is rank of a matrix is the size of the largest minor. Okay. So now the second definition of the rank of a matrix. Write down. Side heading. Rank of a matrix. Yes. No tagging. Rank of a matrix. The rank of the matrix is